Welcome to our journey through Greece, a land rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Join us as we explore the top 10 destinations that showcase the best of what this enchanting country has to offer. From the ancient streets of Athens to the sun-kissed shores of Santorini, let's embark on an unforgettable adventure together. Our first stop brings us to the heart of Greece, Athens, where ancient civilizations echo through historic landmarks like the Acropolis and the Parthenon. Wander through the bustling streets of Plaka, immersing yourself in the vibrant tapestry of culture. Athens offers a captivating blend of old-world charm and modern vitality, making it a must-visit destination for any traveler. Next, we venture to the lush island of Corfu, where verdant landscapes meet azure waters. Explore the charming old town with its Venetian architecture and vibrant markets. Relax on pristine beaches framed by olive groves, or delve into the island's rich history at the Aegean Palace. Corfu's blend of natural beauty and cultural heritage makes it a captivating destination for travelers seeking tranquility and exploration. Our journey continues to the awe-inspiring rock formations of Meteora, where monasteries seem to defy gravity atop towering cliffs. Explore these remarkable UNESCO World Heritage Sites, where spirituality and nature converge in breathtaking harmony. Whether you're hiking through the stunning landscapes or marveling at the intricate frescoes within the monasteries, Meteora promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe of nature's wonders. Crete, the largest and most diverse of the Greek islands. Explore ancient ruins such as the Palace of Knossos, where the myths of Minotaur and Labyrinth come to life. Discover rugged gorges, picturesque villages, and secluded beaches along the island's coastline. Indulge in Cretan cuisine, renowned for its fresh ingredients and Mediterranean flavors. Crete's rich history, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality make it a destination not to be missed. The charming island of Skiathos, famed for its lush greenery, crystal clear waters, and vibrant atmosphere. Relax on pristine beaches or discover hidden coves only reachable by boat. Wander the narrow streets of Skiathos town, adorned with whitewashed buildings and colorful bougainvillea. With its natural beauty and relaxed ambiance, Skiathos is the ideal retreat for travelers in search of tranquility and serenity. Next on our list is the iconic island of Santorini, renowned for its breathtaking sunsets and picturesque villages perched atop rugged cliffs. Explore the charming streets of Oia, indulge in local delicacies overlooking the azure Aegean Sea, or unwind on the black sand beaches of Parissa and Kamari. Santorini's beauty and laid-back atmosphere make it a must-visit destination for travelers seeking serenity and romance. Let's journey to Milos, an island of unparalleled beauty in the Aegean Sea. With dramatic landscapes, pristine beaches, and charming villages, Milos offers an authentic Greek experience. Explore iconic Santorini Beach, delve into rich history at the ancient theater and catacombs, or simply wander the whitewashed streets of traditional villages like Plaka. From surreal landscapes to fresh seafood, Milos invites you to uncover the magic of Greece. Our next destination is Skopelos. Skopelos invites you to step into a realm of natural beauty and authentic Greek charm. With its azure waters, lush landscapes, and charming villages, Skopelos exudes an irresistible allure that captivates all who set foot on its shores. Explore the island's picturesque corners, indulge in local delicacies at quaint tavernas, and immerse yourself in the vibrant spirit of this captivating destination. Aegean, a hidden gem conveniently located near Athens, offers a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. With its charming fishing villages, ancient temples, and verdant pistachio groves, Aegean is a delightful blend of history and natural beauty. Take a leisurely stroll along its waterfront promenade, savoring the sights and flavors of this idyllic island paradise. Welcome to Lefkada Island, home to the stunning Katsiki Beach, a jewel of the Ionian Sea. With its turquoise waters, golden sands, and rugged cliffs, Katsiki Beach offers a slice of paradise unlike any other. Whether you're lounging under the Mediterranean sun, snorkeling in the crystal clear waters, or simply marveling at the breathtaking scenery, Lefkada Island is sure to leave you spellbound. As our journey through Greece comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired to explore these magnificent destinations for yourself. From ancient wonders to island paradises, Greece offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that will leave you enchanted and enriched. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel content. Until next time, may your journeys be filled with wonder and discovery.